What's going on, my long-winged bald ducks? Today, KB and I aren't giving into our adventure urges alone. Today we have Casper, we have Tamal, the truck's packed, the dogs are amped, and we're heading out to reality. I wish I could tell you more, but even if I had this scripted, nothing out here ever goes according to plan. So, without further ado, nature is wild, so let's go hang out with it. Stop here. We're gonna let the dogs out. Let them run. Let them use them legs.
Ready, girl? How about you, Casper?
All right, so we finally got to our spot we're gonna camp. Kelsey's just feeding the dogs and getting some water in her and them. But let me give you a walk around of what we have stumbled upon today, because this is pretty special. Option number one is this luxurious palapa top, 1-bedroom unit. Coming in here, you have a nice float. The ceiling is only about 4.5 feet tall, so you gotta take that into consideration. It does have a kitchen here. We got the stove that comes with a lighter. It doesn't work, so you'll have to bring your own. And then over here is a place that you can put your bed. You will need to bring your own bed and basically everything else you need. Then here we have option number 2. It's just your plain old palapa cabana, but it does come with a chair that is flipped upside down. We have option number 3 here. It's basically option number 2, but unfortunately it doesn't come with a flipped over chair. Now, we start getting into some of the more luxurious units. I'm gonna count this all as one. This one is I'd say a 2-bedroom here. You got the palapa cabana, and then you have another one that fell over, but it'll still give you some shade early in the day, but later in the day you're gonna be in full sun. This unit comes with multiple tables. This is actually a refrigerator on its side, but it can be used as a table. It has a table there, and then it has another refrigerator that is flipped over. So if you, let's say, had a kid, maybe your kid could come sleep in here. That'd be really nice. Another perk is that it comes with some sort of ankle brace with a instant noodle cup attached to it. And then also, if you need to do a little oil change on your ATV, we have a used oil filter here, but maybe if you're in a pinch, it'll work. This unit also comes with a round post that has a few hundred nails put into it. This unit comes with a front porch couch with a nice view of the arroyo. Comes with a kitchen. This unit actually does come with its own cookware. There's 3 pans here, but only 2 of them have a handle. Also a ladling spoon. And then here is the stove. But you're actually in luck. There's a bunch of pots down here. So if you're gonna make a stew, this would be a great unit for you. And then there's a nice living room underneath a palapa and tin siding roof. I would say if you're having a family reunion, this is probably the spot for you. And then right here is a studio unit. I can't get over there because there's no way, but it is well guarded. So if you're scared about security, this is probably the unit for you. And just when you're like, holy shit, this place is magnificent, I'm coming, take all my money, let me show you this one. You could just fit as many people as you want in here. Don't worry about the occupancy numbers, no one's gonna bust you on it. Right away you walk up to a table that has all 4 legs. Also, it has a beautiful clothesline right across the front to display all of your underwear. You come in here to this room. This room, not really sure what it's used for. There's kind of a chair here facing this open electrical box that has no wiring in it. If you need tubs or things to put things in, you might be able to use those. And then here's the selling point of this unit. Boom. Look at this. You've got a table with 2 legs, and then it's nailed up against this post, missing its back leg. But don't worry, we have a pallet on some wood, and it's supporting that 4th corner, so that's safe. And then here, this is for a big party. You have 1, 2, 3 cooking areas. It even comes with fish skeletons and used eggshells. And holy shit, can you imagine? Look at that. A perfectly good box spring with mattresses on the ground for you to use. More table space. Here's a chair. You could sit in it. And then you have a palapa top that has collapsed. And then the final selling point to this unit is it comes with its very own trampoline. So if this sounds like a place that you want to stay, don't hit me up because I don't own it. Let's go check out the beach. These dogs are already living their best life. They're just eating dried fish all over the beach and whatever they can find. Luckily the wind just died down, so I'm gonna hop in the water for a spearfish real quick, see if we can get a fish for dinner. No idea how the visibility is out there, but we're gonna give it a shot because we need some food. Dude, this place is insane. But realistically, the beach is unreal, perfect for letting the dogs run wild, and the hiking trails around here, I'm not really sure, but it's ideal for exploring, especially when you have dogs like Casper and Tamal. It's one of those places that promises you adventure around every corner. All right, so that was a pretty insanely epic little dive there. I came out with this little surgeon fish right here. We're gonna get it on the fire, we're gonna grill it up, we're gonna get it in some tacos, and we're gonna get it in our belly as fast as possible. We got the sun going down. Right now we're hanging out at the beach. You can't really beat this. I mean, look at this setup. We got the table, we got the chairs, we got the dog, we got the girl, we got the fish, we got the fire, we got everything we need. There's beautiful white sand beaches. Got these little bluffs in the background. There's whales jumping. You got the sunset, like KB said. I mean, this is the life. This is what you live for. All right, here it is, our little setup. We got a little piece of tin to protect us from the wind, because it's pretty windy right now. You got our grate here. We're just gonna huck it on these rocks. Let it heat up, just because I want to clean it off a little bit with the heat. I'm not going to clean it off much, but yeah, let it heat up, throw the fish on there, let it get cooking. We need to just start chopping the veggies and then get the tortillas at the end to warm them up. Did we bring the tortillas? You don't think that we brought tortillas? I think it'd be in that bag, that red bag. Tortillas. Alright, pretty bare bones tonight. Just some peppers and some fish. Peel it apart, eat it, call it good. Got a couple seltzers. We should probably crack those and cheers, because I mean, we're having a pretty good time. That's just the Baja lifestyle. All right, y'all. Cheers to a pretty good day. It's not over yet, so don't you dare hit that X back or back out of this video. Cheers. Cheers to you guys. Oh, yeah, that's warm. That is mediocre at best. Nice white firm meat. Want some, girl? Pretty good, successful trip. Learned some new spots in Baja. Ended it with a catch and cook. Didn't even think we were gonna get a fish tonight. Just eating some peppers, hanging out with the girl if you could still see her. It's getting dark. Got the yellow pepper. Just keeping it simple. Fish and peppers, eating them right off the fire. So, see you next Sunday. Till next time, be happy, the smoke, be healthy, and I'll check you in the next one.